Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant Mishra, and this video is regarding the second essay about a topic or an incident that changed my life fundamentally. So, cut to 2018, my father had his own business, and he had reached a age where I decided that I should take over the business and try to expand it with my new thoughts and ideas. Being from a middle class family, I always understood that money is something very critical that plays in your role. If you have money, then you can buy happiness, and this was what my fundamental thoughts were. In the same year, 2018, towards the end, around September 9th, to be very specific, one fine night, we were all having dinner at my home, and suddenly my mother felt unconscious, and we were unable to understand what happened. Being from a very Hindu religious family, we thought that she might have been weak because of the few of the fasts that she was doing. So we immediately took her to an hospital and we asked the doctor to help her out. So the doctor immediately gave her some salines and tried to bring her back to conscious. And a few of the tests were done. Out of shock, nowhere. After 2 days, we got to know that she was suffering from pancreatitis, which is a very serious and critical disease. To be very honest, I had taken over the business and I was able to understand at that point of time that money is something that I should always chase on. The more money that I have, and I'll always give happiness to my family, and money can buy everything. Trust me. And that point of time, when my mother was admitted in the hospital, she stayed in the hospital for 5 months, during which we shifted her to one of the best hospitals in the country. Not only one, two best hospitals in the country, and we were not able to save her. We spent around 45 to 50 lakhs, near about that, which was about all our savings till that time. We didn't have anything left with us. We came down to a point where I had to rent out our business to some other person so that he can give me some advance to sustain. So at that point of time, I realized that money was not the thing that I should be chasing. My mother was the emotional, or I would say the entire strength of me. However, I was not able to save her with that money. How I regret not spending that time with her that I could have, but I was busy in expanding the business and focusing more on getting more amount of money so that we can have a better life. But it didn't give me anything. I lost the most valuable person in my life. That day I realized that it's not the money that we should be chasing on. It should be a good life. Uh, I would say a life which has meaning. And if you're not chasing that, then we are on the wrong path. If you're doing a business, if you're doing anything, it should be of some meaning. So this is what has actually changed me and changed my perspective towards life. And I would say to everyone whosoever is going to listen to this, whether I get selected or not, let's focus on having a meaningful life. If you have a meaningful life, then I think money is something, I would say, a secondary thing that would always play a role. But without money, also we can all be happy. Thank you.